Today we are going to discuss about common potential. Common potential means what? There are one sphere, one more sphere, that is sphere number 1. This is sphere number 2. Sphere 1, 2, and it is given a charge of Q1 and this is given a charge of Q2 initially when they are not connected. So potential on sphere, first sphere, we'll talk about first sphere. The potential in the first sphere is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge in the first charge divided by its radius on this one. It means potential on the surface is equal to this much, where Q1 is equal to charge on sphere 1. Same way, second V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 divided by R2, where Q2 is the charge given to the charge on the sphere 2 and R2 is the radius of the sphere 2, R1 is the radius of the sphere 1. Now, since both are having different charge, V1 is not equal to V2. At this condition, when we connect by a wire, both the spheres, when both the spheres are connected by a wire, when both spheres are connected by a wire, that is conductor wire, what will happen when these two are connected? The redistribution of charge will take place. Because both are an uneven potential, so the charges from here will flow here, or charges from here it will flow, depending upon which charge is bigger. Charge will go from higher to lower level. So potential of both the cylinder before connecting was different, but when they are connected together due to redistribution of charge, the potential in the first one will be equal to potential in the second two. Now we call it as V1 because V1 dash is earlier before connecting is this one, V2 is this one, but after charging both will have a common potential. Common potential, it means the potential after joining, the potential in this equal V1 dash and this is equal to V dash, both are equal. So it means what is V1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charges. Charge is now Q1 dash divided by R1, because after sharing it will occur a charge of Q1 dash, this will occur a charge of Q dash. The redistribution after connecting R1 dash is equal to R, because this does not change, this does only the charge will change. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 dash divided by R2. Since both are equal, now we can say, so we can cancel this one, Q and R1. Common potential when it is occurring, common potential. Now, in this case, we can cancel out this one, Q1 dash by R1 is equal to Q2 dash by R2. What is Q1? See, surface charge density is equal to charge by area. Or we can say charge is equal to surface charge density into area. Since it is a sphere, area is equal to 4 pi into radius square. This is the area. Now we take this relation. If we take the relation, Q1 is equal, what is Q1? Q1 is equal to surface charge density and surface density first one into area 4 pi R1 square, because this is for the first cylinder. 4 pi R1 square. For this 4 square divided by R1 is equal to sigma 2 into 4 pi R2 square divided by R2. We are substituting instead of surface charge density into area for the first sphere and for the second sphere. So I am cancelling this one, this get cancelled, this 4 pi 4 pi get cancelled, this so get cancelled. That means sigma 1 into R1 is equal to sigma 2 into R2, and we can see sigma 3 into R3 and is equal to sigma n Rn. For any n number of cylinders we can write like this. It means we can say this and this multiplication of this both is a constant, or sigma by R is equal to a constant, or sigma is equal to constant divided by R, or sigma is, what is sigma? Sigma, surface charge density, is proportional to 1 by R. This is a very, very important relation. As the R is increasing, sigma will decrease. R is decreasing, sigma will increase. Inverse relation. That is why, and the sharper corner, R is small, then charge density is more. That is, if R is small, it means charge density is high, charge density is small. What is charge density? Charge density means charge. Charge will be also high because charge is related. Charge is related with sigma like this. Direct relation, that will increase. It means electric field will be also high. It means in the sharp corner, more and more sharp corner, the electric field intensity, that is distribution of charges, will be high for a small radius place. That is the sharp corner. Then the flat corner, the electricity will be, electric field will be sparingly distributed. The charge will be sparingly distributed far away distance. So electric field will be have high strength when the radius is small. From this relation, if the radius is small, the charge density is more. Charge density is more means charge is more means electric field intensity is also more. This is the important relation which we will be using very frequently.